Shall we start this session with prayer? أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم رضيت بالله ربا وبالإسلام دينا وبمحمد نبيا ورسولا ربي زدني علما ورزقني فهما وجعلني من عبادك الصالحين آمين يا رب العالمين. In this session, we would like to share the difference between proposal versus graduating paper, thesis, or dissertation. Proposal is something in need when before we come to compose or graduating paper or thesis or dissertations. That's why we need to know the difference between these two terms, especially for us, for the student of college student or higher education student who are not quite familiar with the difference between proposal and chapters in graduating paper, thesis, or dissertations. In our case, in my context, I'm teaching in higher education, so I work a lot with graduating paper supervisions. So this is a chance for me to explain the difference between proposal and graduating paper, and thesis and also dissertation may have typical structure in making of this academic writing. Alright, without further ado, we have this item of difference. The first one is proposal. We have around 10 items of item in proposal. Something that we need to emphasize in making proposal of graduating paper. The first one, it contains more or less 12 to 15 pages. Of course, we have a normal margin and also normal spacing. We have left 4 centimeters margin, centimeters left margin, and then 4 centimeters of top margin, and then 3 centimeters right and also bottom margins. Something normal with A4 papers. We have 1.5 or 2 spacing in creating these 15 pages of proposal. That's something normal when we have a proposal. It can be 2 spacing or 1 and 1.5 spacing. This writing started with cover page, and then continue with introductions, problem statements, significant or objective or the benefits of the research, and then we also have literature review, and then previous study such as previous research, and then we also have research method, and then number 8 and 9 it's something optional for some cases, of course, about the research timeline and also cost arrangement in case necessary. And then number 10 is references. We need to put number 2 to number 10, starting from introduction to reference in proposal. In my case, we admit we don't have research timeline and cost arrangement in the guideline in making the proposal. So that's why I have mentioned before that number 8 and 9 is something optionals. But in my case, when I submit my proposal, I include those items, number 2 to number 9, including research timeline and also cost arrangement. Different from proposal, we have graduating paper, or sorry, we have graduating paper or thesis, more or less. Normally it contain like this. It contain 5 chapters, and when my student asked me about how many pages should I write in my graduating paper, I can say it should be normally 16 pages, including chapter 1 introduction, chapter 2 literature review, chapter 3 research methodology, chapter 4 result and discussion. Some cases the student mentioned result and analysis, and then chapter 5 consists of closure. This is the difference between proposal and also graduating paper. In my opinion, when we want to make a thesis or dissertation, the number of pages should be more than 60 pages, and we should follow. We should also consider and follow the guideline from the institution. Why? Because each institution have their own guideline, has their own standard in making proposal and graduating paper. So, but if you cannot find the guideline, this video may give you insight and understanding and a little bit the idea how to create proposal and or graduating paper. Thank you for your attentions, and see you in the next video. And we close this session with prayer. Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Subhanakallahumma bihamdika asyhadu an la ilaha illa anta astaghfiruka wa atubu ilaik. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.